Hey everybody, these are the men's SMX1 Air V2 motorcycle gloves. And I've been wearing these for probably the past year and a half, maybe 14 months. But the cool thing is they have like a nice knuckle kind of plating right there. Right here is really like extra, I'd say extra insulated. So if you go down on the side of your wrist, it's kind of give you that extra padding. And it's got a little bit extra padding on the hand as well. But yeah, guys, if you're looking for some motorcycle gloves, these are some really good ones for the short cuff.